So let's see the student side of Google Classroom. Now here I have 3 students. This is 1, this is 2nd, and this is 3rd. So let's see what first student is viewing. Now he can see there are 2 questions, then there are study materials. Fine, he'll go to the classwork. So in classwork he can see yet the classwork is set for the topic 1, textbook and syllabus. We have not set the classwork for the other 2 topics of unit 1. So here it is only showing what is set. So these are the 2 questions also. And again in people, let's see what it shows: a teacher and its classmates. Fine, let's say we go to another student. Here also he can see 2 questions. In classwork he is seeing what has been assigned, same as like student 1. And if you go to people, again you can see few students and the class teacher. Same is with the 3rd student. So if you go to fine. Now let's see what is the effect when the student is appearing the questions. So let's say, what is Internet of Things? It is assigned. It says correct answers 2 marks, wrong answers 0 marks. So let's go to stream, click here. So what you can see in the stream is the class comment, your answer and private comment. So I can write what is Internet of Things. I say it's embedded system with internet. This is my answer. Now here, since I have taken the example of the subject Internet of Things, my answers will be all related to Internet of Things. You can make the question and answers of your choice. So turn in. Now this is student part. Student is giving the answer. So turn in means submitting the answer. So this student have submitted one answer. Let's say what is another question. Another question is, what is when IoT was invented? Let's say 1999. And I'll submit it. So it is submitted. Done. So this student have submitted 2 answers. Let's go to classwork. In classwork, let's go to classwork and see the details. So all things which was set is here. He is getting correct answer 2 marks. In the stream, the questions are there. Now let's go to another student. Let's go to stream. And what is Internet of Things? He says it's combination of sensor, actuator, controller and internet. So let's say second student is giving this answer. Say turn in. So the answer is submitted. Now let's say he's giving the answer for the second question. When IoT was invented, he gives 199 and say turn in. So this turn in. So he submitted his 2 answers. Same way, third student or rather I'll say he has not submitted any answers. So this was the student side. So this was classwork. This was people. Now see, he cannot click here anything. He can only just view. When you go to classwork, if you click on the question, so he views the question and he can give the answer. And again go back to class. So here it is, view your works. I'll click this. So what it says, Internet of Thing, it is assigned. When the IoT was invented is also assigned. So this was the work assigned to this particular student. Now we'll go to the teacher side. Let's see what is the difference here. So it says previously it was assigned to 6 and there were only 0 turned in. Now it is 2 turned in. Fine. So this is the difference here. Let's go to classwork. In classwork, let's say this question. Previously it was assigned and 0 turned in, but now 2 have replied. That's why it is turned in is 2. Same way you can see this question. Previously it was 4 assigned and 0 turned in, but now it is 2 turned in because 2 students have given reply. Now coming to people. Let's say I'm checking Kaushal Kavadia's detail. So these are the work assigned to the Kaushal Kavadia. So again go back. Now it's time for evaluation. Grading. So I'll come to grading. Now I have to check the classwork whether he has given the proper answer or not. So I'll select this. I'll check this. So say what he has written. He has written it's an embedded system with internet, which is a correct answer. Second answer in 99. This is also correct answer. So now this time I have to give him the grade. So I have to give the grades. So I'll go to grades, and since both the answers were correct, I'll say 2 marks and I'll say 2 marks. And since Rishabh has not attempted, let's say I'll give 0 marks. And so I've given the marks, and now I'll go back. So I hope this much part is clear, how student side is to be used. So in student side, I can see the questions, I can attempt the questions, and I can even see what the grades are given to me on my questions. So I hope this much part is clear. So my first video says what is stream, second says classwork. In classwork, how to set up the classwork. Third says how to set up the third video says how to set up the different chapters. Fourth video says how to set up the teachers and students, that is under the category of people. Fifth video says how to set up the grading system on the assignment and the quiz. Now the next video was what is the student side. So we have seen the student side of the classroom. So I hope you might have understood how to use Google Classroom. Stay safe, take care, prepare yourself, and have a nice time.